Hello. Being able to understand and follow instructions is obviously a key skill that we all need in any language that we are speaking. So if we are to avoid making errors and to improve in this area of communication, there are a number of things we should listen for and develop. So firstly, train your ears. Make sure you practice listening to others speak. So using subtitles on your television or watching videos online will help you to be able to understand what is being said, because part of the time it's about being able to hear, to pick it up in speech. Learn key words. So there are words that we associate with key topics. So if you learn those key words and you remind yourself of them regularly, then you're better able to listen for them and understand what they mean. You can also listen for commands. So these are also known as imperative verbs. So these will describe an action. So you're listening out for words such as write, run, walk, turn, and there are many, many others, but they obviously help to signify exactly what the instruction is. These imperative verbs are also usually paired with prepositions, and they are words that indicate the relationship of one thing to another. So, for example, sit on that chair. Sit is the imperative verb, and on is a preposition. So, learning your prepositions will be key to helping you understand instructions. Other keywords such as who, what, where, when, why, and how are also great, as they will often signify the start of a new topic or question or instruction. When another person is explaining, they will often break this information down using words or phrases such as when, after, next, once, another, etc. So ensure that you are able to listen to these pieces of information for each, so it helps you be able to interpret the meaning. But obviously, and finally, the best way is always to be able to become more and more familiar and confident with this skill is practice. So the harder you work, the better you will be. So try out all these different techniques. Which one works best for you? And whichever one it is, use it and go with it. So thank you and keep revising.